Flight 1951 took off from Istanbul with 128 passengers on board. Among them, 4 Boeing engineers. The destination, Amsterdam, a city that had not seen a major crash in more than 10 years. On the flight deck, Captain Hasan Arasan, an experienced pilot, is training his new first officer, Murat Sezer. A third pilot, the safety pilot, is also in the cockpit, observing the training. The aircraft is a Boeing 737-800, the latest generation of the world's most popular plane. Millions fly on a 737 every single day. And with modern avionics, landings are supposed to be safer than ever. But as Flight 1951 begins its descent, something strange happens. At over 8,000 feet, a loud alarm sounds in the cockpit. The landing gear warning horn. That warning is supposed to trigger only when the plane is close to the ground. The captain dismisses it, calling it a radio altimeter problem. He's right. But he doesn't realize just how dangerous that problem will become.